Hey everyone, welcome to CryptoWeeklies and a happy Sunday to all. Today let's talk about Near and Near Cryptos token Near blockchain's crypto and do a AI based monthly average price forecast for the bull case, the base case and the bear case for Near from October 2023 till May 2024 using data since Near was launched in October 2020. So the chart that you are seeing on the screen is the base case chart color coded from dark green to dark red. This is the monthly average price, which when the color the color is green, then that means the token is undervalued with respect to its average price, and when the color code is dark red, then it is overvalued with respect to its average price for the entire time series, and this is calculated by using z-score. So just to summarize, one for the z-score part is in April 2022, when this token had its major peak at a monthly average price of almost 15.4 cents. Uh, the price at that point was 2.6 standard deviation away from mean. And this particular crypto had its major peak not in the 2021 bull rally, but more so in the 2022 first quarter. At a daily level, if you check the price tracking websites, the peak was at in January of 2022, but that peak was kind of like a blow off peak. That's where the effect of that peak on the monthly average price for January was less than what the April's price action, which was much lower than at a daily level than January. Uh, but the month that price at left was left at elevated levels for a longer time. That's why the average price was higher in April 2022 rather than in January 2022. So this is one of the cryptos which had a late peak, and such cryptos especially are more useful in analysis for subsequent bull market, because the ones which have a late peak give us an opportunity to not only benefit from the bull market returns perspective, but also from timing perspective. And this is not financial advice. One can make a case that historically speaking, in the bull run, Bitcoin has the first likelihood to reach an all-time high. It's followed by Ethereum, and then followed by altcoins, and especially the altcoins which have a peak much later in the bull run offer an opportunity to cycle the profits from Bitcoin or Ethereum and reinvest them at a later stage in the altcoin rally. So this is one of the cycle related observation. This is not backed, this is just an opinion and not backed by AI based algorithm yet. It would be great to analyze that. I have that idea in the future video. So if you would like to check that idea out, do subscribe to the channel, so that once we analyze the overall crypto market from a timing perspective, um, and use AI techniques to forecast that, you would be stayed updated on that. So so now let's focus on this particular near protocols, near crypto, and do an AI based forecast. So this is the third time we have been covering near on the channel, and unfortunately the first two forecasts at a base case weren't that accurate, but I'll show you the bear case where the forecast and the at a later point in the video where the forecast and the actuals were pretty much on point. So as you might have seen that since the later part of 2022, near token has been in a precipitous fall. The first market cycle low that it created around December 2022, around $1.50, was taken out easily in the second quarter of 2023, which is not a good sign, because the major cryptos didn't have an all-time low in 2023. It's only the ones which are more risky, like altcoins, are having those lows, take the 2022 lows taken out significantly. So from $1.50, now we are now in September we are almost $1.10 at a monthly average level. In October, it's trading in at much lower levels at around $1.08. So again, this begs to question: is the bottom in for near? So far, the price action says that it hasn't quite been in. The lows for the market cycle haven't been in. So let's go ahead with the AI based forecast to analyze what could be a theoretical bottom scenario for near. This is the base case forecasted by AI. So far, it said like in June it would be around 73 cents. Although we achieved kind of like a lower low from December 2022, it wasn't of the same magnitude. So June had almost the divergence between forecast and actuals was almost 2x. Although ever since that, the difference between the forecast and actuals has been diminishing at a base case level. For October, though, these are the AI based forecasts. For October, the model has forecasted, now that we have added data till September, it has forecasted the price action at about 93 cents. I have added the old forecast to the video description, so you might see that those numbers are also updated in the future forecast are updated. That is because the new data has shown slightly lower valuations in the subsequent months. So for October, the monthly average is at 93 cents. For November is at 80 cents. So about from $1.12 to 80 cents, about 32 cents lower from the current valuation. That's the major first major market cycle low forecasted by the AI model. In December, the price action forecast is at $1.07, January $1.20, February $1.14, March $1.25, 23 cents, and April that's around 94 cents, and May, that's the May 2024, that's the the market cycle low that is forecasted by the AI model at around 70 cents. And this low in May forecasted, it would be corresponding to the all-time low for the near protocols, near token, that is at around 70 cents, and the previous lows were at around 79 cents prior to the bull run when the token was just released. So that's the base case. Let's talk about the second scenario, which is the bull case. What if we don't have to go this low into the in the price action, and there is a bull rally which is supported by macro. This is the scenario where there is a bull rally in the last quarter of 2023 and first quarter of 2024. What is the theoretical ceiling in that in that hypothesis of a bull run, imminent bull run in the later part of 2023 and early part of 2024? In that case, per the AI model, the valuation for October is $1.51, uh, November at $1.40, December 155, January 152, February 140, March 165, April 173, and May 156. So again, this particular case is based on the base case but has a one standard deviation multiplier and a z-score multiplier to the upside, uh, just so as to we highlight both what is the most likely base case as a and also what are the theoretical ceilings in this case, that is the bull case, and we'll just after this we'll cover what is the theoretical floor in the bear case. So this is the bull case. I will just summarize it, the range being $1.50 to $1.70, and two major bottoms which are at an elevated valuation to about the valuation in July of 2023. So the third scenario that I will present is the bear case, and you can see that this particular model has done the divergence between the actuals and the forecast has been very low so far since July till September. Um, and this model for has forecasted major downturns, and this again, the assumption in this case was that the crypto market would be in, especially the altcoin market would be in a major downturn, which was the case in the the third quarter of 2023. Altcoins were in a uh, significant downturn. That's why you can see that so far this particular forecast has been the most accurate. Going forward, if that hypothesis that altcoins remain in a bear market, if that hypothesis stays true, these would be the AI based forecasts for the remainder of 2023 till May of 2024. So again, under that theoretical floor assumption, for October, this floor is coming in at 51 cents, which is almost 2x to the downside, almost 50% to the downside of our current trading price for near. For November is at 40 cents, December 55 cents, January 51 cents, February again 40 cents, kind of like a double bottom from November to February per the AI model, and March at 65 cents, April 72 cents, and May 55 cents. I'll These are the three scenarios. I will just summarize the entire forecast series. The base case, which is again the most likely case per the price action so far, is that the lows would be first in November at around 80 cents, and then in May of 2024 at 70 cents. Uh, and the range for the remainder of year would be from 95 cents, uh, again going to 80 cents, and then back to about $1.20 for the first quarter of 2024. Again, in the second quarter would be from somewhere from $1.20 to about 80 cents in the second quarter of 2024. The bull case, the valuation stay elevated to the range of $1.50, 40 cents to $1.70. So $1.40 to $1.75. That's the range in the bull case. The bear case is that there are two bottoms, one in November at around 40 cents and February 2024 at around 40 cents again. And, and then after that the valuation to about 55 cents in the second quarter of 2024. If you like this content, do subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and check out the other altcoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum related AI based forecast on the channel. And I hope to see you again tomorrow, and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.